there, did you know digital marketing is one of the hottest career skills in the world right now? Businesses everywhere, whether it's small startups or global giants, they are investing heavily in digital marketing to reach customers, build trust, and grow online. Now that's why the demand for skilled digital marketers has skyrocketed, making it one of the most rewarding career paths today. So in this video, we will follow the journey of Joey and see how he went from being a complete beginner in digital marketing to becoming the head of digital marketing at Amazon. Now through his story, you'll learn what digital marketing really is and why it's so powerful, the different types of digital marketing every marketer should know, how Joey applied these strategies in real campaigns, and how he eventually upskilled to turn his passion into a career. And by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the world of digital marketing, but also see how you can start your own journey in this fast-growing field. Now, before we move on, here's a quick quiz question for you. If a company wants to reach the maximum number of people with the lowest cost, which digital marketing channel do you think gives them the best chance? Your options are television ads, search engine optimization, billboard advertising, or radio ads. Drop your answer in the comment section below and let's see how many of you get it right. Also, if you want to watch more videos like these, do hit the notification bell and subscribe for more such content by Simplilearn. Also, if you're interested in building a career in digital marketing, then the professional certification in digital marketing by SP Jain School of Global Management is a great place to begin. This is ranked 7 in APAC by Bloomberg Business Week. SP Jain's 8-month live online program will help you master key skills like SEO, SEM, social media, mobile marketing, marketing analytics, and even the latest Gen AI tools. You'll learn by doing with 20 plus real world projects, 10 plus case studies, and 35 plus marketing tools used by top professionals. You also get access to expert-led masterclasses, sessions by Meta Blueprint trainers, and a free Meta exam voucher. And by the end of this course, you'll earn a certificate from SP Jain and Simplilearn, and you'll be fully prepared for a job in digital marketing. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and enroll now, and you can find the course link below. Meet Joey, a digital marketer. He works as the head of digital marketing for Amazon. But how did Joey get here? Now, a few years ago, Joey began to see a large number of opportunities popping up in the field of digital marketing. To begin his entry into the field, he needed to understand what exactly digital marketing was and what was so great about it. First, Joey learned that digital marketing was a form of marketing through which you could advertise to people digitally. Digital marketing leveraged different channels like search engines, websites, social media platforms, emails, and mobile applications. It would give marketers the opportunity to interact with and understand their audience better and to increase the trust in their brand. Now, digital marketing would also show marketers' advertisement to people based on their actions and preferences on the internet, while being less expensive than traditional forms of advertising. After understanding the main concept of digital marketing, Joey realized there was more to digital marketing than he initially thought. There were also many types of digital marketing. Types like content marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media marketing, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. And once he understood those types, he set up a digital marketing campaign for his uncle's e-commerce website. Let's have a look at what he came up with. First, Joey created content like blog, videos, infographic, and case studies so that he could generate audience interest in the brand's product services. This was content marketing. Next, he needed his audience to actually see his content. The first step was to create content on specific search keywords that were relevant to the target audience. Joey would make optimizations on the website and have credible websites linking back to the content. And to behold, the website began ranking on the first page of the search result. By continuous optimization, Joey would continue to improve the ranking and ultimately make the website rank at the first position. This was SEO or search engine optimization. And Joey could do all of this without even spending a single penny. He could also drive traffic to his website with advertisement, but for this, he would have to pay a certain fee each time the ads were clicked. He could have text ads that show up in search engine results, image ads, and video ads that show up in websites, and much more. This was possible with the help of PPC or pay per click. However, Joey wasn't done yet. To reach a larger audience, he needed to tap into social media platforms. He would use social media platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to advertise the brand's content. He would use these platforms to advertise the brand's products, services with posts, images, videos, and more to bring out the brand story and engage with the brand's audience who spend a lot of time on social media. Like PPC, he could use the platform to advertise the brand's product, services with text, image, and video ads, which needed to be paid for. Now that's called social media marketing. Now Joey realized that a large amount of audience weren't visiting the brand's website a second time. He needed to keep them engaged, nurture them to make sure they purchase the product. And for this, he would send them emails that help much better understand the product they visited on website and also assist them in buying process. He would also send emails to advertise the product services to potential customers. That is with email marketing. And finally, although Joey was able to grow the brand's funnel, he wanted more traffic from third-party websites. This could be achieved with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliates would promote the brand product to their audience for a fee with the help of email sign-up, registrations, conversions, subscriptions, etc. After setting all of this, Joey had the hardest part of his process to get through: the wait. Although Joey had worked really hard on each of these forms of digital marketing, he had moderate success. Now that's when Joey realized he had to gain more knowledge and experience. So he decided to get certified and get ahead in his career with the help of Simplilearn. So he took up Simplilearn's digital marketing certification and got the skills and training he needed to become an expert digital marketer. And now you know where he is. You too can do the same and grow in your career by clicking on the top right corner. And with that, we have given you an introduction to all the major concepts of digital marketing. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, a thumbs up would be really appreciated. Here's a reminder to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more such latest technology and trends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.